Alright guys, today we're working on a 91 NSX. It's probably got 10,000 miles on it. The AC pump's bad, or not bad, good. Yeah, so we're gonna change the pump. So first things first, I'm gonna drop this brace. A bunch of 14s. Use my DeWalt, my handy dandy DeWalt. It loves me. So these are longer here and apparently shorter at the backs. So cables are loose, and we got these big 17s, and this thing will drop. There's one 17 right here. You don't have to worry about this falling because there's another bolt holding it. Super long ones. And there's a washer and a nut. There's another long one right here. And a washer and nut right here. And that will drop that down. Now we're going to drop this guy out of the way so we can drop this rear subframe. Dropping this is not going to... Only problem is there's a bolt up here for the rear engine mount. That's going to come out. That's going to be the challenge. So we're going to drop this guy first. It looks like a bunch of 14s. So 14. One here. One here. There's one here. There's one here. 4 14s hold that up. We got this guy right here. It's a 12 here. There's one 12 right here. Pull this shield off. This beam needs to come off. And there's a 17 or 14 up there. Doesn't like me. Plan B. Get something bigger. Got the bolt out.
You know Danny's opened a restaurant where the hookah lounge is.
Yeah?
I guess his brother's going to run it.
I don't recommend it.
Yeah, no doubt. We were talking about that building. It used to be the cheapest. I guess nothing owns. Right on Hazel and Sunrise. That thing's got to be a fortune.
Yeah, we're going to drop this.
You gotta drop the engine?
Not the engine, but the subframe.
The subframe, wow.
The rear,
Like that, I think it just...
the rear subframe. And just like that.
Aha.
It's out of the way.
Look at that.
There's the pump right here.
Look at that.
There's 4 12s over here. Let me see if this little light. These are 12s.
Oh yeah, I was too. Yeah, we're going to change the pulley tensioner too. Not the tensioner, but the idler pulley.
Oh, change whatever you want, Fish.
Oh boy. The motor?
Sure. It's 4. You know what? You pull the back one out up here first.
NSXers.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do it. But you just tighten it up.
Got one of these guys, see if we can loosen this puppy. There you go. There's your 4 bolts that hold the AC pump. Now the belt's just gonna come off on its own, like this. You just, you could push out of the way.
An electrical connection too.
Oh yeah, we got electrical. Well, What we should have done is unplug this puppy from in the beginning. There's a plug right here. There's the AC pump.
You get to it.
You can get to it from up above.
Yeah.
What we should have done is unplugged it from up above in the beginning before we tore it down. But since it was down, I can get to it from here.
All right.
But going back up,
We can
you can right where the dipstick is for the oil.
Okay.
Right up there. It's right here.
It's that one.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
right underneath
cool.
it, so
Okay.
you can see it with
It's loose.
Yeah, well, I undid it because it hooks
okay.
up to this pin right here.
Okay.
You can see it.
Yeah. Great. Okay. So we can do that from
Yeah,
the top. So
and then
we'll
you-
leave it unplugged.
Yeah, I'll leave it unplugged.
Yeah.
And then
When we.
when you get up there, what I'll do is I'll clip this back into its spot, but I'll leave the
Oh, it's
top.
'cause it's in the holder. Okay.
Yeah, see this little holder
You
spot
think
right here?
This was leaking.
Yeah, no shit, huh?
Okay. All right. I don't know.
So we'll put this
Gotcha.
clip back in it, and then
Okay.
when you
Then you just
when you
blow
put the
it open
when you
stuff.
pump it, just plug it in. You can leave the bolt in there if you want. There you go. Let's recap this. This bolt that went through the back of this mount. This is the nut that holds it from the back. When I undid it, it fell out. Just in case, don't lose this. It's a special type of nut. It's got this to hold it the back, or else you're gonna be hating life if you lose this bolt. A total of 25 bolts to get the AC pump out. No, 25 plus a 2 for the AC pump. 25, 26, 27. 27 bolts and one plug so far. Here's the old pump. Here's the new pump. Want to make sure it's all the same. We got some seals we're gonna replace. We're gonna have to remove this neck and put it right here. Get rid of this plate. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this neck out. It takes probably a T27 or a Torx bit, probably a 20. I don't have this tool, so I'm gonna go get this one. I'm gonna take these off. Let me grab a. It looks like an 8. Voila. Brand new. This is just a plate cover. It's got a seal in there. We're gonna remove this seal, and we're gonna put another one in here. So we're gonna take these bolts off, swap this, and put it over here. These little O-rings right here. Got 2 of them. There's one right here, and there's one right in here. Look at O-ring guys. I'm gonna replace these guys too. So I got them out. Take a little bit of cloth and clean them. We'll put new O-rings in as well. Right here, guys, it's a 6mm hex bolt.
Not too bad.
Do you want to use the original bolts?
I think that'd be a better deal.
These guys put back on this pump?
Yeah, it would look stock.
Okay. The high side hose goes in there. One side goes in here. Goes in this way. This hole. This hole right here goes right to here. Right through here. And these units come with oil in them already.
Yeah.
So we don't have to add any more oil to the pump.
And my
Don't mess with it. Just
a little over.
change it over and keep on
Now, the question,
moving.
if it's a little.
You know what?
Just cinch each one and then come back, John.
I'm gonna cinch
Yeah.
one this way,
Absolutely.
one this way. We just feel it out. Make sure we're tight, because if this is loose, we're gonna be crying all the way back out. The tensioner pulley. Let's change that now because we have room. We're gonna replace this pulley right here. This bolt right here.
Well, that'd be fun if it hits the.
Yeah, let's find out how horrible that's gonna be to pull out. So the way it works is this puppy goes underneath here, inside here, I'm assuming, like that. Then we have the washer, sits right here. Then the cover plate, and there's a clean one of those. So, boom.
There we go.
This guy on the inside, make sure you got a washer in here, and this guy goes right in here. Order the part from Honda, there's a part number for it. It looks good in there. Bolt will slide right over it.
I was just sort of thinking, these are the original fenders.
All right, tight fit. Come in all the way? Looks like it. Bring it this way more.
Maybe that one.
All right. This one.
Can we do it in place? You get
Yes.
that grinder?
Yes.
We don't have to take it all apart?
We gotta grind this down.
Okay, I want to wrap this up. Interesting. Look at the difference there.
Oh, there's your flat spot here, or here. This is touching the aftermarket headers we have made by Comtech. If you had stock headers, it would fit fine. We've got aftermarket headers, so we're gonna go ahead and shave this off. There's really nothing holding it, so. Yeah, fun stuff.